Hello everyone, I hope you guys are all doing very well. So this is the second video of the series how you guys can do scalping on Deriv. So in this video, as you guys can see over here, we have $500 in our trading account and we will go with the 75 index higher and lower, and over here we have to select 5 minutes. In the last video it was 3 minutes and the barrier offset is going to be 106.4202. Okay, and in this strategy you have to open the 3 minutes candle chart, and as you can see over here there's this candle, this green candle, and the fourth green candle all the way 1 2 3 4. So the trend is showing us that the market is going up. So in the last video we have made $100. So in this video I will show you guys that how you can easily take out $50 in just few minutes, but with having the proper market trend knowledge. Okay, you have to see where the trend of the market is, and according to that we will take our trade. So we are going to take the stake. The first stake is going to be with $100. That is going to be our stake amount, and from this point onwards we just have to go down over here and we just have to wait for the trend over here. So the moment it will show us the red tick or the blue tick, we will take the trade. If it will show us the red tick, we will take the trade upwards. Okay, we're gonna take the trade upwards, and now let's see over here. You just have to be very quick over here at what time you're going to close the trade, because the scalping, it's like very quickly you have to buy and sell right away on this spot. Okay, we have like $23.37 and I'm gonna sell it. Okay, perfect. So as you can see here, we just took out $31.05. Then the remaining target is just only $19, and we will once again go down over here and we will see the market trend. It's still going up and I'm going to trade the trade. I'm gonna buy on up. As you can see over here, this is where the trend is going. You can see from this point onwards here it's going down now. Now we will open the view and we will see from here we are in the minus, but you just need to be a bit more patient here. And according to the trade, when you are doing scalping, the most important thing is you have to see the market very carefully, just in case if you have just took the trade, and in case if the market is going against what you have predicted. So do not panic yourself. The only thing you have to keep patience, and the right trend you just have to pick it up. Okay, it's $15.27. I'm gonna sell it. Perfect. So as you can see over here on this trade we have made $27.57. All right, now I'm going to tell you of one more thing over here that's very important, guys. That is, in trading, make sure if you have made the profit from a trade and if you want to trade more on the same given day, make sure that you save your initial capital. The capital amount was that we have invested today, that was $500. So make sure you always trade with the profit if you have made the profit on the top of it. So I'm going to take a one more trade here with our profits, which is $52.62. So once again, I will see the market trend here. As you can see, now it's going down and a bit up. So just to be patient here, and from this point I'll take the trade. The target was only $50, but we have made $58, and now we are trading with our profit. Okay, I'm gonna sell it over here. As you can see, we have made another $12.89 with our profit. So the total profit that we have made today, it is $71.51. So this was the second video of the series. If you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, do comment as well. If you have any question regarding scalping on Deriv, you can let me know in the comments and I will answer it for you guys. Thank you for watching.